The seagull sits like all his creed, pink of leg and bony kneed, yellow eye prospecting hard for any tourist off his guard. Down below a pleasant scene, a family by the sea washed clean with fish and chips upon their laps. Dad stands to take some family snaps, but before his lens a creature flies. Father can't believe his eyes. Enraged he bellows, "Oh my God, a seagull's had me battered cod." A vile curse pollutes his lips. "The bastards had me fish and chips." On high the bird, triumphant, sleek, smacks his vinegary